What's up, everyone? This video was recorded on June 15th, 2024. The current temperature is 87 Fahrenheit, 30.5 degrees Celsius. The current time is 10:53 a.m. and I'm going to be riding my scooter from here on Jodeco Road and the upcoming subdivision to one exit down to the Henry Town Center. But let me show you around over here first on scooter and how it looks in June 2024. Hi. Smells like vanilla ice cream over here. Smells really good. They have Costco member-only EV charging, EV Connect. There's a lot going on over here. Free wire boost charger 200. Not sure what that means at the moment. And then of course you have your traditional gas stations. Or gas station rather, Costco wholesale. So I'll go over there next. They have 3 EV charging stations. Not a lot, but something. This is going to be a Valvoline instant oil change. So it's going to be a oil change for your car. In the near future, you can get your car oils changed over here. Hopefully it's good and it stays that way. It's a pretty looking bird. Let's go ahead and go over to the Costco gas station. Take a ride through over here. So I'm going to go on that upcoming street up ahead. I'm going to turn out of here real quick. There's a lot of construction going on over here. Let's turn around. They haven't paved over here yet. Argento Drive. I'm actually going to go ahead and keep straight anyway. Well, let's see. Huh. This is Chen Parkway. It's a big step down. Kind of make a left and go down another street. I think that would be better to do. However, I think I know where that is now. Just all these trees, that's kind of throwing me off. That's the same road where there is plenty of forest that they cut down. So let me ride back this way, actually. Very interesting. I've never seen it look like this before. I used to cycle all the time back through here, not on this road obviously, but that road to the right in 2018 and 2019. It wasn't safe at all doing that, but it looks really interesting this way. They've made a lot of changes, definitely for the better. Let's go to the right. Now I know where Chen Parkway goes. This is an amazing area. That's my honest opinion so far. Unfiltered. It's a really upcoming area. It's going to be pretty cool. I see that they've taken time and more energy into listening to people and saying that they need better places to hang out at. Social gathering. It shouldn't be the cold suburbs. It should be the warm suburbs where people can hang out, talk with each other. I remember when over here was nothing more than just a hill. And there was plenty of trees over there. So this road isn't finished being built, but it's about to be. They haven't officially connected it yet, but they're about to. I'll go ahead and walk it. Let's walk this way. They're almost finished constructing it though. These are really pretty white birds. Oh wow. They're walking so quick. Oh my gosh, this is amazing over here. I love the view. It beats the view that I saw in 2018. It looked kind of depressing with all those trees here, actually. It's really the angle of how it actually made everything look. There's the same church. This 2-lane road, which I really hope that they rebuild, since they're building over here as well. This is not exactly the easiest road to navigate cycling, and nonetheless it isn't right now either, but it could change in a matter of months. We'll see. But this road right here will take me to where I need to go. Let's finish this road, Chen Parkway unofficially. My scooter goes that way, I go this way. Somebody was wearing Nike Air Forces and dropped some sort of plastic wrapper. I'm in here in my New Balance 327s. So I guess my footprints are here now. Let me let these cars go ahead and go, and it's a really cool area. Wow. It's pretty bumpy. We just went over. Have to be very careful, and here we go. That cool air feels good. Somebody left their Target cart. In the middle of the field there. That's because there's an upcoming store, Target, just right up the street. Oh, wow, and they have some more homes they're building over here as well. This didn't exist. I don't think it existed. It may have existed in 2023 though, but I think this area is brand new. I remember these homes being constructed though, however. Let's check out over here as well. That shade really does help. The cloud cover. This is gated, okay. Pretty cool. They've built up some new plazas over here as well. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty good. Jersey Mike subs. They're going to be building some more, maybe like probably the same property over here as well, but probably townhomes. That's what I would think. Wow. It feels amazing to be riding this for the very first time, super early on in this neighborhood's life cycle. It's such a privilege and an honor to do so. Okay, let's go over to the Henry Town Center shopping area, which is going back this way. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to go ahead and turn to the right end. Let's see. Yeah, I'll turn to the right probably. Now I'll go straight. I'll turn to the right and then come back over here. How about I do that? Do a 360. Here we go. Croft House, McDonough. Pretty nice looking area. Piedmont Urgent Care. The address is 2050. Cheers to good health and many more years if you're watching this in 2050. So this is going to be a future stoplight. They still have the bags on the traffic lights and brand spanking new concrete. Still with the caution cones. Croft House, McDonough now leasing. Rates starting at $1,459 per month. Vinings Drive in Jonesboro Road. And yeah, I can't really ride over there without going into the traffic, so let's ride back this way where it's safe. Nice wide sidewalks. This looks so pretty over here, man. It's one of those feelings, if I honestly must say, where I don't even feel like I'm awake. It feels like a dream itself. It's so pretty over here. Like, this scene is unreal ahead of me. Look at how lush these trees are, and that the flowers in the tree, and how green it is. Pretty amazed right now. Wow, it's so pretty over here. So to the left is the Henry Town Center, where they have plenty of stores, and I'm going to record there next. Okay, maybe I'll ride a bit more instead of recording over here. Let's get more to the scene. So pretty. Okay, that's going to conclude my tour. Please give this video a like. Please subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like what you just saw. And yeah, I'm stunned. And see you in the very next video. I'm going to record here next and across the street. So please give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time wherever you're watching this from.